20 time-saving iPhone tips are here to make your life easier. Ever feel like you spend too much time on your phone, fumbling through tasks that should be quick and simple? Well, buckle up because these tips will have you breezing through your iPhone with newfound efficiency. These tips work best with iOS 17, but most will also work on iPads and earlier iOS versions. Ready to become an iPhone Pro? Let's dive in. Number 20. Quick switch from numbers to letters. Switching keyboards to type a number or symbol can be a hassle, right? Instead of tapping the 123 key, hold it down and slide your finger to the number or symbol you need. Let go and boom, you're back to the letters. This trick saves you multiple taps, making typing smoother and faster. Try it next time you need to type a quick number. Number 19. Remove last number in calculations. Did you know you don't have to restart your calculation if you mistype a number in the calculator app? Just swipe right or left on the number display to remove the last digit. This swipe gesture can be repeated to remove multiple digits. It's a simple trick that can save you a lot of time and frustration. Number 18. Assign a back tap function. Back tap is an incredible feature that lets you assign actions to double or triple taps on the back of your iPhone. Head to Settings, then Accessibility, and under Physical and Motor, tap Touch. Choose Back Tap and set an action for double or triple tap. Whether it's launching an app or bringing up the camera, Back Tap can make your life so much easier. Number 17. Drag the volume. Adjusting volume by repeatedly pressing buttons is so outdated. Instead, press the volume button once and then control the on-screen volume bar with your finger. This method gives you more precise control over the volume and is much quicker. Number 16. Use the hidden trackpad. The virtual keyboard has a hidden trackpad. Long press the spacebar, and the keyboard turns into a trackpad, allowing you to move the cursor through your text quickly. Plus, if you tap the trackpad with another finger, you can select text. It's a game changer for editing messages and documents. Number 15. Turn off in-app ratings and review prompts. Annoyed by those constant rate this app prompts? Turn them off by going to Settings, then App Store, and toggling off in-app ratings and reviews. This small change can greatly enhance your app experience by keeping those pesky prompts at bay. Number 14. Long press back buttons. Ever find yourself tapping the back button multiple times to return to the top menu? There's a quicker way. Long press the back button, and a popover of previous screens appears. Tap the one you want to go back to instantly. This tip is super handy when navigating through system apps like Settings. Number 13. Quick Take Video. Did you know you can record videos without switching from photo mode? On iPhone 11 and later models, press and hold the shutter button to start recording the video. Slide it to the right to lock it in video mode. You can even tap the shutter to take still photos while recording. It's perfect for capturing those spontaneous moments. Number 12. Set a timer faster. Setting a timer doesn't have to be a chore. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right of the screen. Long press the timer button and swipe up on the slider to set your desired duration. Need a specific time? Just ask Siri to set it for you. It's that easy. Number 11. Create a speed dial button. If you frequently call the same people, create a speed dial button using the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus button in the top right corner, add an action, select a contact from the call row, and then add this shortcut to your home screen. It's a direct and quick way to stay in touch with your regular contacts. Number 10. Copy and paste photo edits. Editing multiple photos in the same way. Use the Copy and Paste Edits tool in iOS 16. Edit one photo, tap Done, then tap the ellipsis icon and select Copy Edits. Open another photo, tap the ellipsis again and select Paste Edits. Number 9. Scroll to the top with a tap, scrolling through long pages in Safari or app menus. Tap the status bar at the top of your screen and you'll shoot back up to the top instantly. On the iPhone 14 Pro and newer, tapping the dynamic island does the same trick. It's one of those small tips that makes a big difference. Number 8. Double tap for caps lock. Need to write in all caps? Double tap the Shift key, and it turns into a caps lock key. Now you can type in ALCAPs without having to hold down Shift. It's a straightforward trick, but incredibly useful when you need it. Number 7. One-tap crop. Cropping photos in iOS 17 is a breeze. Just zoom into your photo and a crop button will appear in the top right corner. Tap it to access the crop interface, make your adjustments, and tap Done. It's a fast and intuitive way to get the perfect shot. Number 6. Find messages faster. Searching for a specific message? In iOS 17, you can combine search queries to narrow down results. Start by typing a name, then filter by messages, photos, or links. This refined search method makes finding exactly what you need much quicker and easier. Number 5. Faster messages access to photo library. Sharing photos and messages is simpler in iOS 17. Press and hold the plus button and you'll be taken directly to your photo library. No more extra taps to share your favorite moments with friends and family. Number 4. Quicker message replies. Replying to a specific message bubble in Messages is now faster with the Swipe to Reply feature. Swipe right on the message you want to reply to, and a text box appears. Type your reply and send it, keeping the conversation thread clear and organized. Number 3. Adjust audio message speed. Have you ever received an audio message that seemed to go on forever? Instead of listening at a snail's pace, you can speed things up. Just long press the play button, and you'll see options to adjust the playback speed, ranging from 1x to 2x. This is especially handy if the message has long pauses or if the speaker talks slowly. Now you can listen faster and get the information you need without wasting time. Number 2. Send audio messages faster. Do you find yourself sending a lot of audio messages? Here's a tip to make it quicker. Messages remembers the last type of message you sent. So after you send an audio message, look for an audio waveform icon next to the text input field. Instead of tapping multiple buttons to send another audio message, just press and hold this icon to start recording your next one. It's a simple way to streamline your communication and keep the conversation flowing. Number 1. Customize Messages menu. Customize your Messages menu by rearranging apps to suit your preferences. Press, hold, and drag icons to rearrange or bring apps from the More section to the top. This way, your most used apps are always within easy reach. These tips will save you tons of time and make your iPhone experience smoother. Give them a try, and you'll see just how much more efficient you can be. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks.